Hello, good people. Happy Mother's Day to all of you beautiful ladies out there. I just want to come back and show you from my live earlier today, which I had technical difficulties throughout. I made it through, got one gift done, but I have completed those gifts, and I told you I would bring you back so that you could see the completed products, and they are ready. I'm getting ready to get out of here so I can take these gifts to the prospective people that they belong to. They are sitting out in the sun. I've had them out in the sun because I use that E6000, um, and I want to make sure it's dry. It may not be completely dry, but they're held on with the hot glue, and I will inform the recipients as let them cure, let them cure. But let me turn this camera around. Thank you if you did come into my video, my live video this morning, this afternoon. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for sticking it out with me. I truly appreciate you. Sun's in my face. I'm not frowning. I'm not mean. It's just a little sunny out here. And let me turn this camera around so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So here you go. I was able to get 8 of them done. I think that one you saw on the video on the live. There's a full pink one, blue and white, all green, another blue and white, multicolor, red, blue, green, and some clear, green and white, the multicolor that you saw on the video, if you watched the video, if you were in there this morning, this afternoon, and then a red and white one. So there you be. I am done. I'm going to put them in a bag and be on my merry way. Thank you so much. Have a great, great day, and we'll see you next week. How about that?